beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious recipe from my beautiful Sinaloa, culichi. It's shrimp in poblano sauce, creamy sauce that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This amazing recipe from Sinaloa. These are the ingredients. Of course, the star, the shrimp, Himalaya salt, black pepper, chicken broth, sour cream, poblano chilies, cilantro, garlic cloves, onion, butter, and oil. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and delicious recipe at home. So let's get started. I want to start first with my poblano chilies. I have rinsed them very good through running water and dried them. And now I am going to roast them right on top of the stove, just like this. I'm going to roast them really good from both sides. I want to make sure that they are really nice and roasted. And I have ready already a bag, so that once they are nice and roasted, I'm going to add them in this bag, cover it. It's going to be like a sauna so that it will be easy to remove the skin when I am done. Well, here I am completely done with these chile poblanos. They are all nice and roasted, and they've been in this bag for about 2 minutes. And now I am ready to start removing the skin. Look at this. When you roast your poblano chilies, you want to make sure that you put them in a bag so that the skin, you are able to remove the skin very easily. Remember, when you're making this recipe, you need to remove all the seeds and the stem. Of course, you're gonna remove all the seeds and the stems in order to get this delicious and amazing chile poblano. Look at this. Now this is perfect. Now I am ready to add it to my blender cup, and to this I'm adding the chicken broth. I am going to add the cilantro, the 2 garlic cloves, and the sour cream. I am going to add 1 whole cup of sour cream. I was almost forgetting. We need to add into my blender 1/4 of a piece of onion. I have the onion here. I'm going to cut it through the center and then cut it one more time. And I'm going to use only 1/4 of the onion for this delicious and amazing poblano sauce. We're going to mix it completely until it's combined really good. It's going to take just a couple minutes, and then we'll reserve it. Here I have my shrimp, and the shrimp is nice and washed and deveined. So I removed the vein right on the back of the shrimp, and now these are ready. My pan is nice and hot, and I am going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I am going to add the shrimp. Remember that the shrimp cooks very fast, and you don't want to overcook your shrimp. You just want to put them in here. Once they start getting really nice and pink, then you are going to flip them over, because you just want to cook them from both sides, and you want them to be just pink. Remember, if you overcook your shrimp, the shrimps are going to get really hard and rough, and that's exactly what you don't want. The other fourth of the onion, I'm just slicing it in thin strips like this, because I am going to add it to my pan when the shrimp is ready. Like now that it's nice and peak, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over, move it a little bit so that it cooks from the other side. Look at this. It's really crispy. I didn't add any black pepper or salt, because if you add the salt before you put them on the pan, it'll release all the liquid, and that's exactly what you don't want. And now that I have removed all the shrimp, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. And now I'm ready to add the onion that I sliced. I'm going to cook the onion until it's kind of crispy, so that the onion really incorporates with the butter, releases all those delicious flavors. I wish you guys were here to smell how delicious this onion smells in this butter. Look at this. It's translucent. It's getting nice and crispy. And now is the time when we're going to add the poblano sauce. This recipe is from Sinaloa. It's a very delicious recipe. I know that once you try it, you are going to continue making it for your loved ones. This recipe is so easy to make. It's very delicious. And of course, when you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. I'm adding the salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. And I'm adding the black pepper. And now I'm just going to incorporate it completely. I'm going to wait until it starts bubbling. Once you see your sauce bubbling from the center, then that's the time when you're going to add your shrimp. But here, I'm going to taste it to see if I need to add a little bit more salt. But to my tasting, this is great. I'm just going to let it cook maybe for 2 minutes until I start seeing all the little bubbles on the top. Once you see these little bubbles on the top, then I am going to add the shrimp into this amazing and thick sauce. I'm just going to incorporate everything completely. Let it again show a little bit of the bubbling in the center. And once you see the bubbling in the center, then you are ready to turn the stove off and start preparing your plate. I can't wait to dig in. I can't wait to taste it. This smells amazing. And here I am ready, pouring everything in here. Look at this. It looks so delicious, and it smells amazing. Nice and hot, nice and creamy. All those flavors are just heaven here in my plate. Of course, I have my plate here, and I added some white rice, and now I am ready for the presentation. I am ready to enjoy this plate. Look at this. This looks amazing, and I can't wait to enjoy it. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. Friends, I am done with this amazing dish. You know something? Culichi from Sinaloa comes out delicious, creamy. I know you guys are going to love it. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I added some white rice, but let's taste the shrimp. Let's see how this came out. Look at this. Mmm. Oh my God. And with the right rice. Mmm. Perfection made at home. Perfection made at home. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make it at home. You enjoy this amazing shrimp in poblano sauce. This recipe is from Sinaloa. I know you guys are going to love it. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. If you came to my channel to see this recipe and you loved it, subscribe to my channel. I know you guys are going to love my recipes. Don't forget to leave me thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.